Hi guys, good morning. This is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. I'm going to continue my series with, what do I want to call this? A makeover, or I'm not quite sure how I'm going to name this one. But this is a series on repurposing some old DIY that I've done. I mean, they're not extremely old, but just thought that there are some things that I could do to improve it. So let's say an improvement, taking it up a notch. Okay, so I don't know if you remember seeing this one that I saw. I was inspired by ZGallerie. I went there. Actually, I don't think I saw it there. I saw it in the magazine that they sent me, and just loved it and thought that it would be easy to recreate it. And so I went to Joann's and purchased, and someone corrected me, so let me make sure that I get it correct. I say it correctly. These are embroidery hoops. So I went to, can somebody give me an applause? Yeah, I got it right, because the last time I had no clue of what they were. I just knew that they were at Joann's and I didn't know what they were for. So someone shared that with me. That's why I love when you guys participate. Thank you so much for that. And so these are the embroidery hoops. I just got the smaller one and the large so I can have the contrast. Then I just got the pedestal. Also, I think from Joann's or Michael's. Either one of them sells it, so it doesn't matter. You can get the one with the little curve on there, or you can just get plain. It doesn't matter. I just wanted to go with this one. Now, I had candles here. I did. ZGallerie has it just plain. They also have another version with a circle candle holder. And I did mine with a little twist with the glass. You can go back and check that video out. Today I decided I want to change that turn it into a lamp. And so this is a little home decor that I purchased from Burlington Coat Factory. And I absolutely love it. I have 3 of them. I purchased 3 of them from Burlington. So they're placed different places. So I'm going to go ahead, spray paint the little decor and add it to this. I think that would be cute. But what I decided I want to do is spray paint it silver, because you know by now I love silver and gold all together. I don't know, just a part of who I am. I love silver and gold. I also have the little detail of the diamond wrap. Of course, this wouldn't be the same without diamond wrap. I also considered possibly adding diamond wrap to the top. I'm not for sure. And many of you liked the gold and some like silver. So, don't know. I don't know if I want to do that or not. I don't know if it'll make a difference. I'll do it and you can take a look. If I go with it, great. If I don't, I hope someone will recreate this and make it and let me see. I think I like that. That's very cute. But will it show? Not necessarily. I don't know. We'll think about that. So what I'm going to do is go ahead, spray paint, come back, and we can glue it together, get our lights hooked up, and we can decide if diamond wrap or no diamond wrap. If this is your first time to my channel, guys, I want to thank you so much for being here, for choosing to watch this video. It should be a quick and fun one, so stay tuned and I will see you in a bit. So I spray painted it, I'm letting it dry, and I decided that my dilemma with the diamond wrap is not so much of having it on here, but it's all about will it be visible. So I decided to go ahead and add the strip to the front. So I wanted to do that on camera to show you guys what that looks like. Basically, I will have to start back here. I chose the hardest part to start on camera. Think we can do it? Yes. Okay. So basically, we're putting the glue, not very thick at all, on the rim, the trim of the, and go slowly because you do not want to have this crooked because it will be in the center, the front, and it will be very visible. If you have overage, please remove it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, finish this up, and I'll be ready. Okay, so finished up the diamond wrap. I love the way it looks. I hope you guys do too. I'll bring it closer. Okay, now I want to say this is done. And I did that in silver. And now I'm going to glue it onto the base of this. I'm sorry guys, I don't know if I mentioned you will need scissors because let's just recap. For this project, you will have to, if you want to see it, it's very self-explanatory looking at it, how it came about. But just as I mentioned, the hoops came from Joann's, and they were very inexpensive actually. The diamond wrap from the Dollar Tree. The wood, I want to say, came from Joann's as well. Then you can choose any, you could use the Christmas ornaments if you'd like. You can use another home decor similar to this. This is the home decor that I got from Burlington Coat Factory. You can spray paint if you want, if you choose to. I just decided I wanted silver because I was doing silver on the diamond wrap. Then you also need the Dollar Tree lights and glue gun, glue stick, and your scissors. Now I'm going to see the best way to do this. Oh, I'm on camera. I'm not hiding from you guys. Some days I just want to be in the shadows. Make sure you center it properly. I want to say that's good. Not quite, is it? Is it centered? On camera it may not, but to me it's looking pretty centered. So I hope you find that centered. When I look at camera, I'm thinking I need it a little bit over to the right, but let's see. Good thing it's not fully dried. Let's see this again. Turn that around. See, more that way is not centered. This is centered. So that's where we're going. We're going right there. Sorry. I'm sorry for the view that you're getting, but to me, I think it's centered more. Be generous with your glue, guys. And I believe I want to keep this at least for a little while, so I do want it to be strong. think this is centered. May not reflect that, but trust me, it is centered. The diamond wrap is all the way back on both sides. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead, string my thing here. And be very careful because I'm not quite sure if it's fully dried yet. So your glue may not be fully dry. This is a nice thing about having the ones with the hole, because you don't necessarily have to go from the bottom, you can go from the back. So that makes it pretty nice as well. I must tell you guys, I am just loving these battery operated lights. It makes great lamps. I'm loving it. I think I want to shake it down a bit because I want the bulb to just not stay in one place, but to be all over. Alright, let's see. Ta-da! Totally loving that. You can have it wherever you want on your table. You can stash it back here. But I think that is a great upgrade. I love the way it looks, and it still illuminates gold, doesn't it? Maybe I'm just a gold girl. I love that. I hope you guys do too. And if you are a first timer, please leave me a message. Let me know that this is your first time, you do like this project, and I'd love for you to check out the original one to see what it looks like. I want to say there's 2 versions that I did of this, so check that out. And guys, I am striving to get to 10,000 subscribers. Like I said last year, I want to do this full time. I'm absolutely in love with doing DIYs with you guys. And even though I'm not making a sustainable income, I don't care. I love doing it. And so I have decided that this is what I'm going to do full time. So give me a thumbs up, a like, and share with your family and friends. Help me get to 10,000 subscribers and more. I'm not limiting myself, but I just love doing this, and I hope that you guys love watching it. And I'm so grateful for all your participation, your support. You guys have been amazing, and I'm just really grateful. Thank you, and I will see you on my next video. Oops, one of the lights popped out. Alright guys, I'll see you later today.